Hi K-Best friends, how are you? What an awesome week learning about farm animals and their babies. And today we're going to look at an actual farm. We're going to go around and see how the animals live. And then we're going to be treated to a nice story from Teacher Bofelo about a little chick that's looking for her mom. So right now we're going to take a look at the farm. Let's see. It's a brand new day at the farm, and the animals are waking up. Let's see who we meet today. Good morning, Mrs. Duck. Quack, quack. There's Mrs. Duck and her little ducklings. Baby ducks are called ducklings. We find many different ducks in the world. They come in many different sizes and colors. Next, we see cows. Cows make us milk. They spend the day eating grass. Now, just like the ducklings, the baby cows have a different name to their mommy and daddy. A baby cow is called a calf. As I walked around, I saw some chicken pecking the ground. The farmer told me that they were having their morning snack. Baby chickens are called chicks. They are so cute. Oh, I just love seeing all those animals at the farm. But now it's time for the story with Teacher Bofelo. Here's Teacher Bofelo.
Hello friends, today we are going to read a story about farm animals and their babies. And the name of the story is, Are You My Mom? Let's read. One day, a little chick hatched from its egg. He looked around and could not find his mother. Where is my mom? He asked. I must go and find her. Can you see the little chick? The little chick saw a cow and asked, Are you my mom? No, I am not your mom. Moo, I am a cow and my child is called a calf, said the cow. Can you see the cow and the calf? The little chick saw a pig and asked, Are you my mom? No, I am not your mom. I am a pig and my child is called a piglet, said the pig. There's the pig and the piglet. The little chick saw a sheep and asked, Are you my mom? No, I am not your mom. I am a sheep. Meh. And my child is called a lamb, said the sheep. There's the sheep and the lamb. And the little chick saw a horse and asked, Are you my mom? No, I am not your mom. I am a horse. Yee-haw! And my child is called a fowl, said the horse. There's the horse and the fowl. And the little chick saw a dog and asked, Are you my mom? No, I am not your mom. I am a dog. Woof, woof, woof. And my child is called a puppy, said the dog. There's the dog and the puppy. And the little chick saw a cat and asked, Are you my mom? No, I am not your mom. I am a cat. Meow, meow. And my child is called a kitten. There's the cat and the kitten. And the little chick saw a goat and asked, Are you my mom? No, I am not your mom. I am a goat. Bah, bah. And my child is called a kid, said the goat. There's the goat and the kid. And the little chick saw a hen and asked, Are you my mom? Yes, I am your mom, she answered. And you are my chick, and I'm so glad you found me. And the little chick was so glad to be with his mom and his brothers and sisters. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.
I'm so glad that the little chick finally found her mom. Now we're going to listen to Teacher Bofelo telling us about the letter H. Do you know what sound the letter H makes? It says ha ha ha, the letter H. Here we go.
Today we are going to look at letter H. H, H, H. That's the sound that letter H makes. H. I see a horse. I see a hamburger. I see a hippo. I see a hen. I see a helmet. I see a hammer. I see hats. I see a helicopter. I see a hot dog. And I see a house. Remember, letter H. H, H, H. Now, let's say it all together. H, horse. H, hen. H, hippo. H, hamburger. H, hot dog. H, hats. H, helmet. H, hammer. And H, house. Letter H. H, 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 H.
Shoo! What an awesome time we've had learning about different things this week. Until next time, it is a big goodbye from me. Bye bye.